Today I've got a question and I'd like a little bit of help with my YouTube community, so let's get cracking. Alright, so this is the channel. Right here is the community button. Note when you first get here, it's sorted by top. Probably my favorite thing is to click on newest. Of course, I want to highlight that users can add these. Notice this one's from Depth Oblivious. You can have several images showing off your fantastic creations. What I want to mention though is that I do not get a notification about this. I missed this awesome post by Richard Grant. The only reason I spotted it is because in the comments, this user had a question. That showed up in my notifications. Now, since then, I have added several things that I noticed with this project and some cool solutions, and I'm noticing that users never come back. I've answered so many questions and nobody ever tracks them down. So I guess my first thought is to make sure if you ask a question, come back for a couple days, because of course it takes me a minute to see them. And YouTube, if you're listening, what can you do to make these show up in our feed? I do want to highlight that I also have to comment quite often on a phone first. Right now I'm in my browser. Another tip, there's no way out of a post. You also need to use the back key in your browser to get back to the main page. Notice I'm not signed in as HLModTech right now. This is how anybody can add a post. Simply type in what you're thinking, add your images, and click post. Of course, you do need to make sure you follow the community rules, but it is a fantastic way for the entire community to help the channel grow. So a quick wrap up, friends. Love how the channel is growing. Thank you so much for being a part of it. Whether you're hitting like, hype, sharing videos, adding a comment down below, or clicking subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.